Today we got a video from Dr. Cops, and the title of the video is Drunk Driver Falls Asleep During Traffic Stop. See, I told you we was gonna spin back, man. We was gonna spin back. We seen y'all first video, kind of boring, but let's get into this one. We gonna give y'all one more shot. You know what I'm saying? I love checking out the new channels, man. So let's get into it.
Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police.
Police Department, pick your pants up.
Pick your pants up. Oh, God.
Hey man, Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police, man, pull your pants up. Kingsville Police.
Pick your pants up, man.
Oh, man, this is crazy.
Kingsville Police.
Police Department, pick your pants up.
Then get up.
Hey.
Okay, come on. Get out of the car. Pull your pants up, man.
Hey, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Step out.
Step
now.
out of the car.
We're not going to tell you again. Step out on your own, or we're going to pull you out.
Man, that's fine. Bubba.
Step out.
Okay, hey, that's fine. Bubba.
When you
Get your
step
legs
out,
Okay,
I will let you pull up your pants.
Come on.
Déjame suéltame, compadre.
Let's go.
Pick your pants up.
Damn, bro. Tell me you're gonna let me go.
Put your hands behind your back, man.
Why did you let me go from?
I thought y'all was gonna let him put his pants up. That's his pants.
Handcuff, bro. Keep it.
PI.
Okay.
Pull your shorts up, man. I need to show him in custody. Kingsville PI. Do you even know where you're at right now, bro?
Yes, sir.
Where are you at?
I don't know. I tell you, bro.
Huh?
I was here.
Uh-huh.
I came with Kevin.
Uh-huh.
Right.
How much have you had to drink, man? A little too much?
Yeah, what?
A little too much. Yeah.
No. I've been drinking.
Yeah, I know you've been drinking.
We're right here. We're right here.
Huh?
I didn't drive here.
Wherever.
We staying on Oasis.
Wherever.
We staying on Oasis.
Good search warrant. Good on my side. Spread your legs for me, partner. Yeah, he's good. Okay. Take a seat, man.
Oh, can you put him in the front? If you don't mind.
The what?
My handcuffs, can you put him in the front?
No, I can't do that. Watch your step. Watch your head.
Yeah, I don't want none of his stuff to get
Vandalized.
You have the key, he has the keys on it?
They should be in there. The car wasn't even on. 184 kilos. I just wrote down the vehicle was not on whenever I made contact. It was off. Right there. But no, that's a Honda. Right there.
Gotta open. Is there any open containers up there besides?
Just the two closed ones in here. 94 keys. There's just no down. There's a open box of Michelob Ultra 18 packs with only 2 cans left in it.
Yeah, but no open containers. Look, they sad right now. They sad, boy. Damn, you thought you was gonna find a bottle that was open.
So probably all in here. Empty.
Look, they reaching now. They trying. Guy was parked up, you know, he was parked up, man. Didn't want to drive drunk, parked up.
You got a hold out here, bro? Oh, you're gonna do the impound for me?
Yeah. Try to get some
I'll
sleep
meet you over there.
before he get on the road. Okay. What do you know about that little Dirk, man? Put that little Dirk back on, man. This a man of some culture right here, okay?
Angel 840, 27 back to Carlos Fernandez, Hispanic male of Edinburgh. Trinity El copy, Charles Bird 2026, showing eligible no entry, please negative TCSC,
The man woke up and spoke to the officer. He was handcuffed behind his back. Drunk and disoriented, he didn't know where he was. Arrested for public intoxication, dangerous to himself and others.
I guess this is better than the first video. Yeah, I'm gonna let my audience in the comment section. I'm gonna let my subscribers let me know. Should we keep rocking with Dr. Cops, or wait, no, what is this? What's this channel called? Yeah, Dr. Cops. Should we keep rocking with Dr. Cops or what? You know what I mean? Let me know. Yesterday we did the video. Yesterday we did this video. Yesterday we did this video right here. Routine traffic stop turns into jail without bond. Okay. So y'all let me know. After we did this one yesterday, should we keep rocking with them or what? Overall, cops get a 5. At first, I'm like, damn, why is he waiting? But he was waiting for his backup, so that makes sense. So it is what it is, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.